Okay, in this video, we're going to go over homework number 6, and we got to rationalize the denominator. So in this particular case, when you have, sorry, my stupid thing's not going to work here. When you have a binomial in the denominator, you're going to multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate. So in this case, we're going to keep everything the same in the denominator there. Sorry, it's not working. Except you're just going to flip the sign between them. So it's going to be like that, where you have the third root and the sixth root and a minus between them. Okay, and so now it's just going to become a FOIL on top and bottom. So it ends up being a lot of steps and a lot of writing, which I'm not good because my thing's not working here. But you do root 3 times root 3, which is root 9, then root 3 times negative root 6, so that's going to be negative root 18. On the inside here, positive root 6 times positive root 3 is going to be positive root 18. And root 6 times negative root 6 is going to be negative root 36. So the middles cancel out. So then we have 3 minus 6, which is negative 3. That's going to be our denominator. Okay, and then up top, we're going to FOIL, and they're not going to cancel out here in the middle because these are both minus. So what happens is we'll have a root 9, a negative root 18, and then negative root 6 times root 3 is going to be a second negative root 18. So they don't cancel out because they're both negatives. And then negative root 6 times negative root 6 is going to be plus root 36. Okay, and so to get the complete answer here, we got to clean up this numerator. And I'm going to do that down here because I don't have any, I'm running out of space here. But anyway, square root of 9 is 3. This is going to be 2 or negative 2 root 18s. So it's like negative 1 and negative 1. And then in the back, we're going to have 6. Square root of 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. And then one of the trickiest parts of this question is this isn't considered simplified because this 18 you can split with 9 and 2. Right? The perfect square of 9. So I'm going to write it as root 9 times root 2. So that it becomes 9 minus, this is 2 times 3. The square root of 9 is 3. So we have 6 root 2. Again, this is 2 times 3, so we have 6 root 2. Okay, so overall our top, sorry I ran out of space again, I have 9 minus 6 root 2 on the top. And on the bottom is a negative 3. And then if you just divide it out, now 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3, and negative 6 divided by negative 3 is plus 2. That negative 3 divides both parts. And so our final cleaned up answer looks like this. Sorry for the poor handwriting, but I can't get my writing pad to work. So anyways, that's your final cleaned up answer. It's got a lot going on, but it's a good review of a bunch of stuff, like simplifying this, right? Don't leave it here. If there's a perfect square that divides it, pull that out. Thanks for watching.